Welcome back, fifth graders. What we're going to do for this lesson is combine 11.6 and 11.7. I'm going to do that because they're both really similar. Lesson 6 builds onto lesson 7, and I mean really they're pretty similar. This one is, well, these lessons are all about finding the volume of objects, and the volume is just how much space is in a 3D object. So for example, how much capacity or how much a box could hold would be an example of how we would use volume in real life. Okay, so this one is just having us count the unit cubes. A unit cube is a cube that has length, width, and height of 1 unit. You can use unit cubes to build a rectangular prism. So this one's just saying count the number of cubes used to build the rectangular prism. So this has, see, the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's 8 by, let's see, the width is 2 and the height is 1. Okay, so it's 8 units by 2 units by 1 unit. In lesson 11.6, it's really just counting the number of unit cubes. In lesson 7, you actually have to find the volume. And to do that, it's actually a pretty simple formula. You take the length, you multiply it by the width, and then you multiply that by the height. If you remember the commutative property of multiplication, it tells you that when the only operation you're using is multiplication, you can do that in any order. So I could actually do 1 times 2 equals 2, times 8 is 16. The volume would be 18, or wow, 16, sorry. Or 8 times 2 is 16, times 1 is still 16. If you were to count each unit cube, you would see that that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 unit cubes, which means the volume is 16 units. Let me show you a couple examples of 11.7 from the Go Math book, just so you can kind of get an idea of what they're looking for here. Let's look at problem number 1, for example. These are measured in centimeters. So we have 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters. So this is the length times the width. That's going to be 16. So I'm going to have 16, and then I need to multiply that by the height. 16 times 3. Let's see, that's going to be 18. Carry the 1. 48. So the volume here is so it's going to be 48. This stands for cubic centimeters. So now they're actually putting a unit of measure with the volume. So in this one, they're just calling them units. In 11.6, they're just calling them units. In 11.7, they're actually saying these are centimeters, these are inches, these are feet. So that's what the CU stands for, cubic centimeters. Okay, let me show you one more example. To find the volume, again, we just do length, which is 3, times width, times height. So I'm going to take 3 times 2. That's going to equal 6, times 4. That's going to equal 24. So we have 24 cubic inches. On this one, they're measuring by inches. And that's really all there is to it. To find the volume, you just multiply the length times the width times the height. So in 11.6, they're asking you to actually count them, count the number of units. In lesson 7, they're actually asking you to multiply those numbers. Okay, that's really all there is to it. Good luck, and as always, let us know when we finally see each other again, what questions you have, and we'll help you understand this the best we can. Thanks. Bye.